What is up, guys? Today we have the Dolphin Nautilus CC pool cleaner here, and this is actually a really great robot. Now what's great about this is the fact that it does not require a separate booster pump and it does not need a separate return line. All you really need is an outlet to plug it in. So this pool robot itself weighs in at about 13.8 pounds, which is pretty light for such a strong robot. It's much lighter than other different pool cleaners. So this is actually really great for people that want a lightweight pool robot. You can see it's got all the little scrubbers down here on the side and the front here, and it cleans the pool really well. This has intelligent scan technology where it basically maps your entire pool. You can tell I have a 27-foot pool over here. This works in up to 33-foot pools, so it works really well in my pool here. This robot will actually map your whole pool and clean every inch of it. One cycle for this robot lasts 2 hours, so that means it takes 2 hours to fully clean your pool and to fully map it out. It has a really large filter right here. All you do is pull this latch here and this handle pops right out. You pull this right out and it's super easy to clean. You pop the bottom of the latch down here and all that debris, all the leaves, all the sand just falls right out, and you just spray it down with a hose. Super easy to clean that filter. Pop it right back in here. Close that up just like that. It comes with a 50-foot cable, so it pretty much is able to get around your whole pool there. And it's tangle free. I haven't had it tangle itself up, which is great. Now let's go ahead and talk about the power supply over here. Alright, so the control panel is right here. All you have to do if you have this plugged on to turn your robot on once, to run it one time, is to push the power button. When you push that power button and just leave it, it will turn your robot on and it will clean the pool for 2 hours. It will run one full cycle. Now what's great is that it actually has 3 different modes here. You can actually leave this robot in your pool for 1 week at a time. And you can program this control panel to turn your robot on specific times during that week. On mode 1 here, it will actually turn on once a day, every day for 7 days. You activate that by just pushing the button right here, and you can tell the light on that is on. On mode 2, when you switch over to number 2 there, it will actually turn your robot on to clean your pool every other day, so every 2 days, so 4 times a week it will clean your pool. If you switch it to mode 3 here, it will actually clean your pool every 3 days, so twice a week. And you will have to manually come out here every week, and to set this, it will only work for 1 week at a time, but it works really well. So let's go ahead and go back and turn this robot on and see how it works. Alright guys, so the pool robot is on now and he's starting to move now. He does move slow, so it's not going to be a fast robot, but it will start to move and it goes slow, but it's a good pace. It's not super slow, but it's not super fast. And you can see it's going forward and then it moves backwards here. Basically what it does is it moves forwards and backwards and maps your pool. This is how it works. That way it can pretty much figure out where to clean next. Just a reminder that it takes about 2 hours for one cycle. So basically it has 2 hours to get around your whole pool before it shuts off. And it works really well. Okay guys, so take a look at him. He's going to try to climb the side of my wall on the pool here. And my pool up here is about 4.5 feet tall. So he will actually climb all the way up here and do a really good job at cleaning the side of my pool. That's actually really great. He does climb walls. Alright guys, so you can see the robot here kind of struggle on the steps here. Now I have about half a foot tall steps from the bottom of the pool, and this robot will actually struggle a lot to climb up those stairs. It will get up there every now and then, but a lot of the times it will just back up and try again and not get the steps completely. So it will go up a straight wall easier than going up a small step, if that makes sense. So you will still have to use your pool brush to brush certain parts of your pool, but in terms of the ground floor, he does a really good job cleaning the pool floor there. Alright guys, so I do want to mention that although this is 13.8 pounds and it's very light, when you're pulling it out of the pool, it has water in it, so it can be a little heavy. What I do is I just lift it up here for a while and let it drain. It's supposed to drain all that water out within 6 seconds, and it does. It gets back to being pretty light. So overall, if you guys are looking for a really great pool robot, one that doesn't require a booster pump, doesn't require a return line, you just need to plug it into an outlet, one that has a big filter that picks up all your debris, your leaves, your sand, one that cleans up to 33 feet worth of pool, and one where you can schedule it at a week at a time to clean as many times as you want during the week, then this is definitely the way to go. Definitely something I recommend.
We hope this review helps.